Hello everyone, my name is Maddie and I'm coming to you from the Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. And welcome to today's educator moment, which will be sponge art. We will be creating a fun art activity out of household materials. For this activity, we are going to need a piece of paper, a small sponge, a clothespin, and you will also need different colored paints. I'm using watercolor, but you can use whatever paints you would like. So I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to hold it down the middle, and I'm going to take my clothespin and hold it down so it'll look like a little bow. And if you don't have a clothespin, you can still use your sponge as is. You will just need to use your hand to dip it in the paints. For this, I can grab my clothespin and then take my colored paint and just dip it inside. And I'm going to use the edge of my sponge to create a cool art effect. And I'm just going to take my different colored paint and my sponge and dab my sponge all over my paper. And the cool thing about using sponges to paint is that it creates this cool little effect that reminds me of the Impressionist art from that time period. An artist that you might know from the Impressionist art period would be Van Gogh. And once you feel like you've added enough color and you've covered enough of your paper, then your artwork is finished. But the awesome thing about art is that it can look however you want it to look like, and it's finished whenever you feel like it's finished. And once your artwork has dried, you can then frame it and hang it in your room or in your house, and you'll have an original art piece of your own as decoration. My name is Maddie and thank you for joining me here today at Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!